Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Diane and my passion is painting and creating nature-inspired watercolors in my studio, which are easy for you to do too. I share all my paintings with you on YouTube, and on our website dianeantone.com you can find free downloadable sketches for all the videos to help you make the most of your painting journey. And if you'd like a little bit more, we also have channel memberships with loads of perks for you to enjoy. So welcome on board. Click subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's learn to paint watercolour. Hi everyone, Diane here. Welcome to my studio. I'm going to have a go at painting a more or less abstract flower thing. I'm just wondering whether I ought to have a bigger brush. I think I probably should. So let's go for this Princeton Aqua Elite size 12. And I'm going to splash in some bright colours, I think, and I don't know whether this is going to work, but we'll see. So let's put in some. Maybe we could just sort of think hibiscus or something like that. Maybe we want some smaller pink things down here, and perhaps this one could be a bit bigger. Okay, and then I think probably we should put some green in for leaves, maybe up here. Sort of backgroundy kind of thing. And then maybe down here some more green. I'm trying not to do any particular shapes, as you can see, so just what's the word? Colour, that's the word. Colour, just colour. Let's have some more orange up here, perhaps. I'm using the the Kuretake set, and I'm trying to keep the colours separate and not running so much as normal, just to get some colour on the page. Lots of yellow and red. And green. Don't know what colour that is. Soon find out. Oh, that's a nice bluish green, isn't it? I think I've got a little bit too much of a muddy run in here, so I'm just going to lift that out. Doesn't matter, I can correct that and come in with some clean colour there. And then what we'll do is we'll let it dry, put some more red in there. And a bit more green here. Perhaps we won't let that run so much. Okay, and I'm going to dry that. So I've mixed up some very dark bluish green here, and I'm just going to have a go at painting in some leaf shapes. trying to keep it abstract. So this is a mixture of this very dark green here and Payne's grey, I think, or something like that. And then I'm going to try to do some outlines of leaves coming down here, crossing over this nice yellow and orange. And let's put a branch coming up here with some nice solid, really dark. Quite nice painting over these bright colours with something really contrasting like this black. It looks like black, doesn't it? It's green and blue mixed together. And as you go along, you can sort of think, oh, maybe I should make those more solid. It's all just, let's put in here, if this is a hibiscus, they have these things that come out from the centre like that. So just to indicate it, it's not meant to look exactly like a hibiscus. And then we could have some dark green frondy things over here, like in a jungle. Yeah, something like that. And we could have, these could have branches coming into them like that a little bit maybe. And yeah, I know the dogs are getting hungry. I think I'm going to fill these in. I was wondering about that. I think they probably want to be filled in. I always think these empty, as I call them, leaves look good, and then I try to paint them and I can't make them look right. Or somehow they never look right on my work. Maybe one day. And I think we need another one of these hibiscus-y things, maybe something like that. And well, I think probably that's about as much as I want to do to that, because let me see what it looks like when it's dry, because at the moment you can't tell. Oh yes, it really does look like a jungle, doesn't it? Is that what the inside of my head looks like at the moment? Probably. Too much Star Trek, I think. So when that's dry, we could put some nice embellishments on it, couldn't we? You know, all that kind of stuff. Or else we might like it the way it is. We'll have to see when it's dry. So there we are. There's a super quick tropical jungle type of themed painting. It took me 10 minutes to do. Something to try to get rid of the feeling of ennui or whatever it is that's going on in my little head at the moment. I don't know. I'm going over some of the black here with some white gel pen to enliven it a little bit. And as always, it's always scary when you start this, but then once you get started, you think, oh yeah, no, that was probably the right thing to do. And I've used the Kuretake paint really thickly, so it's kind of skipping a little bit on here, but not too badly. And some of them we're going to do, probably go all the way around like that. This wasn't what I intended to do today at all, but that's fine, you know. That's what painting's all about, isn't it? It's not ever, no two paintings are ever the same. As somebody once said about music, no two songs are ever the same. And no two paintings are ever the same. You can try to do the same painting twice, and you'll never do the same painting the second time. You might do the same subject, and you might paint it in the same way, and you'll certainly learn something, but the one thing that I always learn is that you can't ever do it again. And that's one of the tricky things, and I expect probably a lot of the people who do YouTube art probably find the same as me. You practice something, and you think, oh yeah, no, that's all right, I'll do that in front of the camera now. And you turn on the camera, try to film yourself doing it, and it all goes terribly wrong. And maybe that happens less as you get more experienced, but it certainly happened to me today. So I don't think it's a good idea to practice. I think it's better to just go for it. And then it's a good job we don't have to use, film, plastic film and all the rest of it, because we'd be wasting an awful lot of film. I've deleted about 10 videos today. It's okay though, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, I really enjoy it. It's marvellous. Great fun. Okay, I think that is now finished. So if you've managed to stick with me this far, give me a like and subscribe to let me know that I'm still alive. And yeah, well, I'll see you again soon, if you can stand it. Thanks very much for being with me on the rainiest, windiest, winteriest August day of my life. Bye, everybody. See you again soon. Bye for now.